Hey folks, hey, we are at week 6. Just 2 more weeks to go. 2 more weeks to go. So we're at week 6, and the next video. Okay, so this week is a little bit different. We're really focusing on our customers and relationships, and this week we're gonna look at what do we do after we have customers? Like, how do we make data driven decisions, right? So, how do we conduct research? Where do we conduct research? Is the topics for this week. So, again, we're going to keep building on our understanding of these key marketing promotional strategies and really looking at data. Now, when I was a buyer, people were like, "Oh my God, you get to shop for a living." I'm like, "No, I get to analyze data for a living." Really, the decision making process is really based on the data that you have. So, how many pink polo shirts did I sell last year in these 5 stores will help me determine what I should buy going forward. And for you, for your social media campaigns, understanding who your customers are, how they interact and engage with your page is really important, and where you're missing, like who you're missing. So remember, we talked about, but in relationships, we talked about that those demographic data, and getting our customers to convert from kind of like watchers to purchasers. So this will help you dig into some of those more important details. Okay, so again, we're going to be looking at marketing and promotional techniques that retailers use, understanding the factors that they use to establish these advertising, promotional, and social media strategies, and we also will um, create we'll create some marketing and communications. Okay, specifically in this week, we're going to in the lecture we're going to define why we need the information. So why we need information, the types of information that we need. We'll look at sources that other companies use to gather information. We'll look at the steps in the research marketing process, and we'll understand different types of research and research methods. And more importantly, how do we apply? How do we apply what we've learned? Okay, how do we apply what we learned? So that's what we're going to be talking about this week. So again, same old every week. Get off this page, read, review the lecture. The lecture is going to cover the evolving measurable impact of social media. So there's a measurable impact of social media, right? It's going to talk about consumer data, how we obtain and use consumer data, and putting that research to work. Then you have a discussion board. And then with your assignments, your meta assignment is going to show you your meta assignments and meta workshops is going to show you the importance of data and how to use it to maximize the transition from follower to customer. And your AI assignment is going to help you conduct research, analyze brands, and of course, come up with a post, right? So those are the things we're going to cover this week. So we're almost there. We have one more lecture module. So week 7, next week we have a lecture module, and then we just have a final project that you have a full week to complete. That will open midweek 7. So it won't open on Sunday. It'll probably open by that Wednesday. So you have about 10 days to get it done before the class ends. Okay. All right. Doing a good job. Stay engaged. Let's finish strong. All right. See you on the other side.